Hello everyone and greetings from my vacation. And if you hear a static sound in the background, that's a river flowing by. So I hope that doesn't disturb the video that much. I'm reaching out to you because, well, Skillshare just canceled me and a lot of other developers who created courses for web development. Basically, Skillshare will no longer allow courses that are web development related, game development related, game design, web design. I believe it was also management, which I have only one course from that, and a bunch of other stuff. I'm going to put the email for you to read. But I just want to reach out to you guys who have followed my course or have me in your Skillshare as a teacher. Basically, from the end of this month, all of my courses will be stopped. They will no longer be available for you. Neither will be they're available for me. So sorry about that, but it's not my choice, it's Skillshare's choice. This is not regarding specifically to me, but to all of the courses that are based on web development. Now, Skillshare wasn't that big of a deal for me because it was extremely limited. For example, my other courses that are on Udemy, I can upload files on Udemy. I had more possibilities, but still, Udemy is also only second place for me because the best place will be my own platform, which I'm working not currently because I'm on vacation. So I also didn't see any kind of videos from me in the last time. I did need a vacation, so please. But yeah, so the Skillshare thing is dead. It's dead for me. I will also no longer post anything on Skillshare. No, I can't draw. It seems that Skillshare will only want to have courses with drawings and photography and stuff like that. Not for me. I'm a web developer. I love web development. I love coding. Doesn't matter if it's for web development or not. I love coding and I love teaching to code. So this means that you will no longer have access. This is why I want to reach out with this video for all of you that are taking my courses on Skillshare. Now, I know Skillshare is a different platform. It is more a subscription-based platform, which means maybe you will be pissed off, maybe not, that you no longer will have access to those courses because you already paid for the entire year. But hey, they just informed me via an email that I'm no longer viable, including my 7 courses, I believe, that I have up there. No worries, the courses are also or will be soonly available for free on YouTube, and the bigger courses, they are already on Udemy, so you can check them out there if you wish so. Regarding the channel, I'm going to come back with multiple projects, and I'm still editing, not right now, but as soon as I'm back, I'm still editing the React course, so that is going to be out soon. And with this being said, that's all. I'm going back now to my vacation to enjoy that and to come back with fresh energy. Hey, peace and keep coding. Bye-bye, everyone.